Hello there. In this video you'll notice I've bent my tension tool, my top of keyway tension tool 90 degrees like that. I've just knocked this up on my phone and I knew someone would think, hang on, how's he doing that? But it's getting your finger down that angle is a bit easier than there. Does that make sense? It will do. I'll clear it all up for you. Let's get on with this. You're watching Lockpicking Legend, and I've got two padlocks. This is a 1 trillion year old single-sided wafer Yale, and my neighbour gave me this. Oh, I know you like locks. I found this, another bloody Masterlock disc padlock. So out with a timer. I've never picked either of these. So here's that wrench I just demonstrated to you. It won't be used in the 90 degree yet. I picked this up at an antique shop. Quid. Here's £1, mate. I've got a standard hook here. I think this is from a practice set. Let's go. I have put a bit of WD-40 in here, to be honest with you. Oh. High. Setting nicely though. Go on. Number 2. Yeah, lovely. Hit it. Sweet. Nice padlock though. Feels robust. Remember, it's 1 trillion years old. Probably used to lock the pyramids. 29 seconds. Right. Masterlock. Disc padlock. Now this is where the 90 degree... Yeah. See? Easier. Right. Let's set that timer off. Go. Set. Probably better use that as a door stop. I mean, look at the engineering that's gone into that compared to that Yale padlock. 10 seconds. Ridiculous. See you next week, you absolute legends.